This is the coolest thing that's ever happened to me. You gotta give me a little bit of grace, okay? I'm not even gonna try and not be dramatic. A couple of weeks ago, I got an email that I thought was spam. The headline was, "With Love, Meghan, Season 2." And on the email were 2 email addresses from Netflix. Who am I right now? Apparently, Netflix and With Love Meghan, and I'm just gonna say Meghan Sussex because that just makes me feel good, saw my video about her jam. If you haven't seen it, go and watch that. I was reviewing the jam and unboxing it. They wanted to send me something, and they said it would arrive after Labor Day, and I got 2 packages today. The first one, I don't know if any of you guys also ordered the apricot spread, but I did. So I think that that's what this is. So we'll open that. And then this just arrived. I have no idea what this is, but I'm 90% sure that this is what Netflix and Meghan and With Love Meghan sent me to celebrate season 2 of With Love Meghan out now. Okay. Yes, it's the apricot spread. So good. It's just like another reason why I just love Meghan so much. All right. It's gonna be so funny if this is something that I ordered like 1,052 years ago and just completely forgot about it. You know what's really funny before I open this? Because I knew this package was coming and because I'm my mother's child, all weekend long I ran around like a chicken with my head cut off cleaning my apartment because I was just like, on the off chance that Meghan Sussex shows up to hand deliver this pack, I have to be ready. You guys! Wait, I'm actually gonna cry. So I've gotten it out of the box. It has arrived with flowers in a twine wrapping paper that is stamped with Love Meghan. You guys don't understand. I love Meghan Sussex so much. Have ever since Suits, have ever since the Tig. I'm so happy for her success and how she's handled everything in her life. I'm going to save these little flowers, and I think maybe I'll do bookmarks out of them. It's something that my grandmother used to do a lot with old flowers or dried flowers, is turn those into bookmarks, and I think a With Love Meghan bookmark is actually perfect for these. Really turning into my grandmother. I'm gonna save this wrapping paper. With Love Meghan. You guys, I'm dead! Let me explain to you what I'm looking at. So first off, we have a recipe card. Oh, this is for thumbprint cookies, which is actually something that I've been wanting to do with the shortbread cookie mix for a long time. I will definitely be using and laminating this card forever and ever. And then we have an apricot spread. It's so good, and this is gonna be a perfect pairing, thumbprint cookies with the apricot spread. And then, there's, and it's stamped With Love Meghan. It's stamped With Love Meghan. I realize that this is to use like with the thumbprint cookies, but I may never use this. I may have to frame this. And then lastly, there are some beautiful embroidered napkins. It looks like it's a set of 4 embroidered napkins that say With Love Meghan. It's gonna be just perfect for when she does come to visit. I can put these out on the table. But oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing I've ever received. I'm actually gonna put everything right back so that I don't do that. Oh, this one's heavy. I really do not want to rip this wrapping paper. Shut up! Wait, Meghan. Meghan, come here, Meghan. We need to talk. Oh my god. I wasn't sweating before. What is this? What is this? This is too much. Please, this is too much. Wait. I love our place so much. Like, they're my entire kitchen. Okay, all right. First of all, this color is amazing. Can we talk about how adorable this is? Okay, so we have a full like baking set from Our Place and With Love Meghan in the most amazing pink. So we have that, medium size, and I love that they have this bottom to them. I think that's gonna be a lifesaver. Gosh, we have like a nice deep one. I love Our Place so much. I'm overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, there's more? The cardboard mat just says keep going because it's like there's more in there. How? Our Place, oh my gosh. Okay, so we have this really great mat in here at the bottom, which is so cool. I think that'll be great for cookies, but I'll double check and confirm. And then we have a gigantic baking sheet. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go well with the thumbprint cookies. I see what they did here. Oh my gosh. This is the single coolest day of my entire freaking life, and I don't care if that sounds ridiculous. I love Meghan so much, as ever is such a perfect collection, and With Love Meghan is my comfort place show. I've been holding off on watching season 2 because I knew that this package was coming, and so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a night where I make the thumbprint cookies, I watch season 2, and just kind of like bask in my happy place and my nest, which is my home. And thank you so much to Meghan and Netflix and Our Place for sending me this package. This is, I can't even overstate how this is like the coolest thing that's ever happened to me. And I'm going to, I'm gonna go call my mom. So I'm gonna go call my mom and freak out. I'm overwhelmed. I'm so incredibly grateful. I don't know how this is my life right now, but I'm incredibly grateful. So with that being said, thank you so much, Meghan. Thank you so much, Netflix. Thank you so much, Our Place. And go watch season 2 of With Love Meghan, available now on Netflix. Bye.